Hello guys, this is Lena and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a closet tour because we just moved, so now I have a fabulous new closet, so I want to show that off. But before we get to that video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe button down below. Hit the post notifications, that'll also be down below. And alrighty, so this is my outfit of the day. So I'm currently having my hair down. We're getting ready to go do some stuff and pick up the rest of our apartment. And this is what I'm wearing. So I am wearing this pink Victoria's Secret shirt, just white. It's like that. And then I have the sleeves are just like that. It's just pink. And then on top of that, I am wearing these gray and white sweatpants. And yeah, so that's what I'm wearing today. This is my walk-in closet. Obviously it's just like this, and then it goes back here. This is my hamper, and there's some lounge chairs that we use to go on vacation. These are my coats and dresses, because obviously they wouldn't fit on here because there's like a whole thing here. So here I have my coats. This is my winter coat from Old Navy. It's just like flimsy, got a zipper. My jean jacket. Oh, this thing is so nice. Can't wait to start wearing it. And that is my pink, I think this is like a varsity college kind of sweater. Well, that wasn't a section that I got it like. Me and my mom had went shopping and she got one of those, and I really wanted one of those, but they were out of stock. So I went online and I ordered it for like 60 bucks, and I think I paid like 100 bucks for it, honestly, altogether, because it was 60 bucks plus shipping, and plus I wanted overnight shipping, so I paid like 100 bucks for it when she only got it for 50. So I'm with that much. It just got a long zipper. It's really long, but it's really comfy and it's warm, and it has like a hood in the back. Then this is my Chanel jacket. This is the Chanel. It's like a really like this material. And then in the front, it also has that. And then this is my pink jacket. It's just like that. It's got little sparklies. The front is just a zip up. It's like a not a zip up. The front is like a zip up. No, is it a zip up? No. It's just like a hoodie that you put over, got like a pullover. This is like a cardigan type of thing. It's just plain black cardigan. This is my Burberry jacket. As you can see, it's got those little things, and it says Burberry. It's got a Burberry hood in the back. Here's Michael Kors pull over hooded thing. It's got like lace, not Michael Kors. Yeah, it's got like these things here, and then it's got things here. And this is another pink sweater, also got pink, got a hood. Another pink sweater. I don't know how many I have of these. I think I have 2 or 3, but another pink sweater. This is my just like a jersey type jacket. It's just like comfy. This is another pink jacket. It's red. That's so comfy looking. Yep, it's red and comfy. And then what do I have underneath? Oh, I have a t-shirt, a pink t-shirt underneath. So yeah, this is my Armani Exchange sweater hoodie. As you can see, it's got the thing, and then it's just a zip up in front. This is also a pink hoodie. It's kind of old, honestly, but I still love it. I'm kind of growing attached to it, but it's like that. This is a gray pink hoodie sweater thingy. It's really not a hoodie, but it's like a sweater, and it's got like these little ties in the front, and the back is just like that. This is a sweater. This should actually go back here on the grays. But okay, so this is a sweater. This is another hoodie. It's like that. It's got little zippies here. The back has a hood. And then this is a black, this is Old Navy, I think. Yeah, Old Navy dress. It's just a black dress that I just used to wear like when I need to dress up. Another dress. So you can see I'm not really into dresses, but they come in handy. So they come in handy when you need to wear one or whatever. This is another gray dress. It's like a darker gray dress. This is another black type of dress. Actually, I should be here because that's where it's at. I need color coordinated. Okay. This is another black Old Navy dress. It's one's longer sleeves. This is a short sleeve dress, and this one is from, I don't even know honestly, but it's cute. It's got like a little keyhole in the back. This is another dress, another gray kind of bluish Old Navy dress. I don't know why I like Old Navy though, so don't judge me. These are white trousers. I like these. They are comfy and they are cute. So they're just like that. I got these at Old Navy. Holy shit. Okay. I'm obsessed with Old Navy. Obsessed with Old Navy. Okay. Kind of really. Alright, so get down to my tops. I'm having all kind of color coordinated here, as you can tell. I try to at least. Not always work out. Okay. This is a white, these are just hangers. This is a white pink t-shirt. This is another white pink t-shirt. It's just like that. This is a dress shirt. It's striped. This is just this is from, I think, Nordstrom's. This is just like a white shirt, and it's like that in the front. It's kind of cute. This is a white and black sweater. I'm kind of obsessed. Another pink t-shirt. It's pink. This is a sweater from Old Navy. Yeah, it's an Old Navy sweater. It's just pink. It's like a peachy pink kind of color. This is a white and pink little top. I don't even know where I got it from, but it's cute. So let's see, where this is from. Yeah, it's from the store. So now, this is another pink sweater. not pink's the store, but just the pink sweater in general. This is just a sweater. It's like a bluish color with gray. This is a top from the store right here. I don't even know where I got it from, but it's just a top. This is a pink tank top. This is another outfit I got from top I got from Victoria's Secret. I got it to wear with these leggings, which I'll show you guys later. It's just like got like a little planet. Funny story, I actually took it off the mannequin, so yeah. Fun. Green pink top. Just a plain gray top I got from a store. This is a crop top I got from Marshall's, and it's just like that. This is the back. This is a Michael Kors top, and it's got like these lace things here. Another pink top. I love pink tops. This is a gray sweater that I was showing out earlier. It's just a gray v-neck. I would like to wear tank tops and like a spaghetti strap underneath. It's cute. This is a Banana Republic dress shirt. It's got little things here. I haven't even worn it. Like, it's still got the tags and everything. Yep, I'm bad. This is a Old Navy off the shoulders kind of sleeve top. It's just like that. This is another top, just a gray, another Old Navy top. Sorry, I'm making all that noises. That Old Navy top. This is, I don't know, just a simple gray thing. This is another gray shirt. Don't even know. This is a like a little long sleeve thing. It's got little buttons here, and it's also from Old Navy. Woo. another pink top. What did I just drop? Oh, okay. This top, and it's just like a nice gray like thing. I like the little keyhole in the back. Like, it's cute. I got it from Old Navy. Promotion of Old Navy, please sponsor me one day, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so this, you guys already seen this you already seen. This is my next piece here. It is my dress shirt. It's like a little plaid. It's not like necessarily a dress shirt. Like, I wear it with like tank tops or whatever, or I just wear it plain with some jeans. It's really cute. Here's another plaid, but it's a sweater, so it's really comfy. I got this from Old Navy also. Don't get me wrong, like, I love Old Navy. This is a pink t-shirt. This is just like a little top with stripes. These are my little spaghetti straps that I wear like under some shirts, or if I'm having like a lazy day and I just want to wear this. I got this one from Forever 21, and these ones I got all from Old Navy. So yeah, this is another t-shirt, another top I got from Old Navy. This is my Carl Lagerfeld shirt. It's just, I got this from Saks Fifth Avenue outlet. It's cute. This is a off-the-shoulder top. It's really cute. This also, wait, no, this is from Miss Massimo. Yeah. This, what is this? This is a black t-shirt. I don't know where I got it from, but another black t-shirt. As you can tell, I like a lot of black. So, this is like a little top I got from Forever 21. It's see-through, and it has these little ties here. Really cute. Like, you can tell these are really cute tops. This is my Chanel t-shirt. It's got little things here. And this is another plain t-shirt, as you can see. I need to probably wash this, but it's got hair on it. It's clean up. It's clean with just no, so everything was in boxes, so it kind of has some hair on it maybe. This is another Old Navy shirt, just like a regular plain black t-shirt. I love these. This is another pink shirt. It's got these little things here, and it's cute, and it's got this designs on here like that. Love it. Another black t-shirt. This is this is a long sleeve shirt I got from Old Navy. It's nice and black. It's got the little shoulder holes. This is my bodysuit I got from Forever 21. It's like this. It's really good material, and it's really cute, so can't wait to wear it. The onesies clear out. Another different kind of black t-shirt I got from Old Navy, and you can see it's like that. It looks great in camera, but it's actually black, so yeah. Here I got another black t-shirt. Another black t-shirt here. Oh, this is a dress shirt. This t-shirt is actually really cool. I don't know where I got it from, but the bottom is just like this. I know it's long, I like it. This is another dress shirt. It's got the little buttons in the front. I have it wrong ways, but yeah. No, this one doesn't have buttons in the front. This is a different one. Oops. This is my Forever 21 shirt, and I got this at Forever 21, and it was on sale last year. And then this one just says extra, and it's really extra. This is a Michael Kors top, and it has little things here. You can see Michael Kors. And then this is a plain black top, and then this is a little dress top here. Still has a tag on it, you can tell. And it just has a little, I got this at Macy's. This has little things in the back of the material, like see-through, kinda. You can see like different. And then this is another Chanel top here. So that's pretty much my closet for this section. And we're gonna go over here. I'm not gonna really show a lot from here because this is just pajamas and basic shit, like bras and shit. Okay, so these are my pajama tops. I just got a whole bunch of different ones. My bras, these are some Victoria's Secret shorts that I got, and some of my pajamas. These are my leggings. I love these leggings the most. Oops, they fell. Okay, these ones because they got a little ruching, and they also got really cool print on them. So And then these ones I got whenever I was buying this top right here. Which was it? When I bought this top, I bought these two things together. So yeah, I just got some sweatpants and I got these shorts here. So yeah, nothing interesting. This is just some stuff that I use on like a daily basis. I have my Advil pills and my my vitamins, the women's multivitamin gummy. I have much of a room yet, except my mattress, so there's not really any room to put it over there. Here I have my Moschino Love purse that I use every single day. I can do like a within a purse thing if you want. Yeah. Here I have my shoes. These are like my everyday slides. They're kind of old and I need to throw away. Here are my Burberry slides. Here's just some black glittery slides. I got a Saks Fifth Avenue outlet. It's just an outlet we have here in Phoenix. Here I have my Michael Kors sandals. And as you can see, they're kind of like this. Really cute. Here I have some other Michael Kors like little sock boots. Here I have my UGG slippers. Down here I have my running shoes, kind of dirty. Here I have my, these are my Fila sneakers. They're really cute. I have my Karl Lagerfeld shoes, and then I have my Uggs. So those are my shoes. Now for my pants, I have these jeans. They're like little bell bottoms. Excuse me the outside noise. They're bell bottoms, but they're like that. I have some other black Old Navy jeans. Shout out to Old Navy. Here I have some other jeans. These are new. I just got these at Old Navy. Ooh, okay, awesome. Got them on sale. Woohoo. Here I have some shorts. These are just some plain shorts. These are some skinny jeans. These are some more skinny jeans. Here I have some ripped shorts things. They're just like this from Old Navy. I have some shorts. I think these are also Old Navy. No, these are Forever 21. And here's my scarves. So for my scarves, I have these two. These are the one in Saks Fifth Avenue outlet, this black one. And it's really cool. I wish I could show y'all, but here it is right here, dude. Here's the Burberry scarf. My Chanel scarf, another Chanel scarf, my Louis Vuitton scarf, and another Burberry, and another plaid scarf that I wear with that top up here. But now at least I have my purses up here. Here's my Hermes bag. This is my Valentino purse. My Gucci purse is like way up there, and the Valentino bag. You can't see back there, but it's really up high. Here I have my Gucci sunglasses and my Miu Miu sunglasses. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my outro. I want to thank you all so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe again, and follow me on my social media. And yeah, I will see y'all on Friday.